Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
With pivotal data releases scheduled in the coming days, the economic calendar provides insight into which financial reports and economic updates are most likely to steer market activity. Traders should prepare for possible volatility. These economic indicators are set to guide market sentiment. Keeping a close watch and adjusting positions as necessary can help mitigate risks and capture opportunities.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Investors withdrew massive capital out of US equity funds in the week to September 17th, as they turned cautious about the market's lofty valuations following the recent rally through a policy rate cut by the Federal Reserve and rushed to lock in profits. Gold prices moved higher on Friday and notched a fifth consecutive weekly gain, with market attention focused on further cues after the US Federal Reserve delivered its first rate cut of the year. The dollar strengthened to end last week, extending its rebound against most major currencies as traders reviewed the near-term outlook after the Federal Reserve cut interest rates this week but signaled gradual easing in the future.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.